Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is March 2nd, 2013. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is in correction. China stock market is also in correction. My plan is to selectively long strong stocks, but with a reduced position. Let's take a look at the major indexes and their charts. Nasdaq is in correction, but the index hold 50-day moving average here. So right now it's in correction. Mid cap SP 500 SP 400 mid cap index. This index is also above 50-day moving average. Right now it's just at the 10-day moving average. It's also in correction. Russell 2000 small cap index. This is a stronger than the other index, and this one actually on Friday it closed above a 10-day moving average. SP 500 large cap index. This index is stronger than Nasdaq. Right now it's closing above the 50-day and 30-day, 20-day, and 10-day moving average. Shanghai Stock Exchange Index. China stock market is also in correction, but Shanghai Stock Exchange Index is closed above 50-day moving average here. So right now it stays above 50-day moving average. Gold Index daily chart. Gold is in a downtrend. Silver Index daily chart. Silver is also in a downtrend. US dollar is in a short-term uptrend. It hits the previous low and going up. Light crude oil index right now is in a downtrend. It's forming a bearish bow tie. Gold mining stock index is in a very strong downtrend. IYR, it's a real estate, US real estate ETF, and it's consolidating. XLE, it's an energy ETF, it's also consolidating. XLF is a US financial ETF. Financial index is leading the market going up. And as long as the financial index holding up, the financial stocks holding up, this market has a hope to go back to the uptrend again. On Friday, financial stocks reversed the downtrend and then going back up. So right now it's still consolidating, but looks like there's no major damage on the chart. XME is a metals and minings index ETF. This index is going down. Let's take a look at some strong stocks. What do you mean by strong stocks? When the market is going down, there are some stocks that either stay up or they came down much smaller than the general market. Those stocks are not being sold, and some of them actually show accumulation sign. Those are the stocks that will become the potential leaders when the market finish the correction phase. Right now on my list there are ARM Holdings, Celgene, LinkedIn, Airlease, and Salesforce. Those are the stocks actually buckle the trend. Let's take a look at Celgene. Celgene is a stock that show tremendous strength. The fundamental is very strong based on the IBD's research, and this stock has a very good earning growth. And look at this recent chart. It finished the flat base here. It's actually a flag base. Previously, there's a cut with handle base. It broke out here and pulled back, and the market pulled back and then broke out here again. And after it broke out, it ran up a lot from $80 to $100. And then after that, it's consolidating and forming a flat base. And overall, this looks like a flag base. And last Thursday, it broke out with a very high volume. So this is another buy signal here on the Thursday. They are $102. And this is a breakout. And this is a very strong stock. Another strong stock is a LinkedIn. Let's take a look. LinkedIn previously broke out this cup with a handle base and went up after earning report. It gapped up after earning report. And then after it gap up, it still shows strength. As the market correct, LinkedIn did not break down. It just pulled back a little bit. Then on Wednesday, it went back up again. And this stock showed tremendous strength. That's the indication that institution, mutual funds, or hedge funds, those funds buying this stock. ARM Holdings, it does not have a new buy signal. However, these stocks also show strength as the market corrects. It never really break down. So this is a strong stock. Take a look at new stock called Air Lease. This stock broke out from a salsa base. And this is a breakout point, 26.57. That's a breakout point. And 5% that breakout can be extended to 27.9. As long as it's below that, it's a buy range. After a breakout, it actually pull back a little. But after it released earning on Friday, the stock went up. So it's a strong stock. Let's take a look at weekly chart. This is a weekly chart of Air Lease. And this, as you say, this is first stage saucer base. IPO was last year, so this is a very good fundamental stock. And the chart looks very nice. Salesforce on Friday, it also uh, broke out, and after earning, and after earning, it broke out this flat base. This is a flat base and broke out with a very high volume. And this is on my watch list. That's all for this week. Have a good weekend and see you next week.